Nature's colors, created with vegetable colorants. So I've had this India tree natural food dye in my Amazon shopping account for several months. And I really want to see, is it going to create the vibrant and beautiful colors like its counterpart with artificial dye is going to create? So let's test this out and see together. The natural food dye is actually kept in the refrigerator, and so it separates just a little bit, and so I had to massage the colors just to mix them up a little bit more. Now, just like regular icing, like a gel icing color, I squeezed in just a little bit to see if it needed more color or if it was a nice shade here. I'm super happy with the way these colors are turning out. In fact, I used them to make this myrmecorn cake. Had a little extra, so I frosted a cookie. So I even used the natural dye to create a Sweetwater to pour over snow cones, and Cupcake and her friends loved it. I will definitely give this a So I'll definitely give this here a 2 thumbs up. It created phenomenal primary colors, and the secondary colors looked really good too. The colors I chose were a bit more pastel, but I wonder if I were to put a lot of dye, if it would create more vibrant colors. There is one downside to this, and that's the price point. It's definitely quite a bit more expensive than your traditional food coloring or dyes. But if you're trying to eliminate artificial dye from your family consumption, this is definitely a great option. If you have any other products you'd like me to test out, leave a comment down below. I am definitely interested in that. And of course, go have a beautiful day and sweeten the world. Bye-bye.